2011 Chevy Silverado 3500 heavy duty with 6.6 VA 6.6 turbo diesel engine, and come with the 6-speed Allison transmission, all-wheel drive or 4x4. Like I always say, I love turbo diesel trucks. They are amazing. And here's just another example. Chevy Silverado 3500 heavy duty dually, so it's even more heavy duty that you can haul in a lot of weight in the back. So yeah, these are just fun and amazingly comfort. ...2011 Chevy Silverado 3500 heavy duty with the Duramax 6.6 diesel. These trucks are amazing. Look at that, how beautiful it is, right? Come with a dual dually in the back here for more heavy duty towing. Got a full leather interior seat, very soft. The door panel with wood grain and more leather. So let's go back to the drive and see how comfy these are. Well, actually it's very comfortable, surprisingly comfortable for these heavy truck, big truck. So yeah, I like them and they are amazing. Wow, the acceleration on these are amazing for a big truck. Alright, that was a fun little ride. Thank you for coming with me, and in the comments, what do you think about these Silverado heavy duty turbo diesel truck? Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day.